Kubor ka Batisi TV.
Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sunsnem jongka rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong one ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas cam bat bidor
ka Kashayam Blends ka baju penmi bat shalan ni kijat pekijat slasha bala penmi na ka jela Meghalaya ha ka sien ka bringkong kala pelong ya ka tamasa di slasha ni ka tea festival ha M Crown Hotel ka badan ha Kendailat Shillong ya kani ka tamasa lapan sedang na do ka kalai terik no pra arajar arpau bat on sapen kut pat hadu ka laipui terik no pra arajar arpau khnang ban aila di kipat ba na keleng ki benta jo ka jela ban tip shapang ki jingdi bala penmi hi da kinogrem napo ka jela Meghalaya bat ya ki bala bananam ba shabar jong ka jela Kenang ban ailad e ki riupat ba ban wa jing tip shapang ki jaj slasha bala tip kum uslasha blue beneng uslasha sentiu rose bat kiwi de ki jaj slasha la pli kerpang ru ya kedukan ha marba hop kabadan markhab bat ke M Crown Hotel kat bayakan ni tamasa di slasha bat tamasa di sha la pelong pat ha mocha kabadan hapo jong ke M Crown Hotel ka Aishwarya Chinme kabalong kanong punya jongka Kashayam Blends kalai thu pa kani ka dikasien baningkong ban pelong kani ka tamasa di slasha hapo ka jela bat hakni kenti la pen ipai baru ya ka ngap balasna na usok nyamtra bala penmi na kisnong maupu uslasha bala penmi na umroi ushenrai bala penmi na kisnong lakadong ki balong ru ka jo kapor ki dawai kan bat ki ba pentengen ya ka met jong breu haba mat ya kini ki jingbam tenrai.
So Meghalaya is known for the spices and the white teas. So to start with, we blended the white teas along with all the spices. So not only the tea estates of Meghalaya, but also the small villages which are into a particular spice get into a business with us. Secondly, we have the local bakeries which are collaborating with us for the Merry Christmas occasion to bring in more joy to the families. Then we have all the handmade decorations from the local people that we are promoting here. So there is nothing plastic made or manufactured. It's basically for the locals. So vocal for local is our logo. And sure. Right from the Mofu village, from where we are getting the world famous Mandarin honey, to the Umroi village and all from where we get the teas. So it's a vast range. From Chera we are getting spices. So it's a vast range of spaces here. Yeah.
Yang semuanya bani kum kislasha kum kangap senrai badan kiblong kibam ni hinang ni nari jongi ke berbekila dia berbekila peni hang ni kilong kaya rabi kan gigai no kum ngaru kum ju badai basna video and all of that tengah komen du ba marbajang project limited kila yarap kan ban highlight nang bangan josna bangan tray ke bangan semuanya pada ke tangkatahe